Hi everyone! On this video I will show you how to create your own text-to-speech using ElevenLabs API. In previous video I will show you how to do the same using Google APIs. ElevenLabs API allows us to use 9 model of the voice, and now we can change from monolingual that accept just English language to multilingual type, and we can use all these languages that you see there. All you need to have some integrations with ElevenLabs, you need your own token. You can get it there, press to your account and see a profile. There you can find your own token. I will show you our UI part. The select for languages I just change, add the as label name as value ID of this voice. And on the node-RED part, everything that we need, set up our request to ElevenLabs. How to set up this request you also can find in documentation. You need to go to resource, API reference, and all you need you can find there. And there I just add my type that I select there. I will send my ID as a type. I put it there, and my text that I will put in this input. After that we need to make some request and return a binary buffer, and then I need to set up some headers to download this audio. Press deploy and let's try to use this. I have some text. After that I can choose my model, for example Bella, and press transform to speech. And file was downloaded.
Once upon a time, in the enchanting world of magic, there lived a young wizard named Harry Potter. Harry was an orphan who had...
There was Bella, and tried to use, for example, Arnold. Press the same button.
Once upon a time, in the enchanting world of magic, there lived a young wizard named Harry Potter. Harry was an orphan who had spent his early years...
And you see, it's really easy to create some integration with ElevenLabs API and create a template like this on our platform. Enjoy!